do it. All of them around you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, do it. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem.
Alright. Oh, that's not gonna work. I would put that on my tripod, but it's just giving me a hard time. Alright, that's better. That's gonna bug me while I'm editing. Okay.
It's gonna bug me too.
What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? So, we're about to remake our snapbacks. I made a video on this, but I lost the footage because that phone had broke. But, yeah, we're about to make the snapbacks. We already have, yeah, this lady work on. But, Mom said, but, my job gave us a lot of snacks, so we're about to go through all of these snacks. And I also have more snacks that they gave me in here. So we're just about to go through all of our snacks in our bags and stuff like that. Okay, you ready? That's one. That's two. This is so much stuff. We're gonna have to we're gonna have to separate all of this. All the grits we're not selling. We're giving them to Paul because they love grits. And then there's more. I love you. I was wondering what the word on. That. This barely got candy in it. We're not really gonna put that. Be careful. There's snacks bags in there.
Look, you didn't want.
That's why you
said there's one snack bag in here.
Then I need all the snack bags in that one.
Yes, you know.
Okay. Yeah, these supposed to be in there. I think did I finish that other pack of them right there? Oh, there goes the rest. Yeah. More snacks. And that's not it. We still have more snacks. More snacks. Well, that's three. Oh, I had to take a bag off. So I can make a $7 bag. But more snacks. More snacks. More snacks. You can pour those out too. More snacks. Because we're going to have to count inventory. We only got 3 drinks left. Unless there's more drinks in there. Girl! Be careful. That's the empty bag, too. God, bro, look at the camera. This is a lot of snacks. We're gonna make a lot of money.
This that box.
Hush, we're gonna ignore that. Okay, this bag is ready. The bag is ready to sit on behind us. This needs to be rolled on, and this needs to be rolled on. These are the new $7 bags we get. Honestly, I'm gonna leave them at spot. Well, okay, now we need to sort through this stuff by what it is. So chips go here.
Now let's turn it into things spot.
Popcorn can go here. Chips. Popcorn. Grits. You thought, oh well, that's too close to the corn. People will come in. Okay. Grits. Popcorn. Popcorn. Oh, I forgot. We also got cheese crackers.
And peanut butter crackers.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have to pay attention to which bags you got peanut butter and which bags don't.
It don't really matter as long as they got crackers.
Some people are allergic.
That's why they gonna look in it. That's why we got clear red. You know, why are you talking to me like that?
What?
It does matter. And I don't see cheese. I only see peanut butter. That's peanut butter and this peanut butter. I don't see a cheese. I'm only seeing peanut butter. That's two different style peanut butter. Okay.
I don't even think nobody eats these.
Some people do. Because I've been seeing people on my job eating them.
Them chips is nasty.
That's noodles. That's good.
That's not noodles.
These are noodles.
No, they not. That's not noodles.
Shut up, bro. You forgot these noodles.
Them noodles open.
I was about to say this. Noodles open the stuff on the phone. More good. Okay. Alrighty. So this is our $7 bag will look like. So yeah, these can't be $7 bags. Cause these the $5 bags. And these got these. Hey, be careful.
Why you marching? You stumbling and marching.
Don't mess on my camera. Hold on, y'all. I'll stop it. I can get it to stay. Okay, yeah, these is gonna have to be $5 bags. Cause this is gonna be the $7 bag stuff. And the bags that just got this stuff in the $5 bags. I kind of want every bag to have drinks, but we don't have enough drinks for as many bags that we have.
Yeah, we can't keep waiting.
Well, he did give me $12 more.
Dude, where is that spot in your
It's
camera?
supposed to make. It's not gonna be there in the actual video. It's just supposed to show you if it's cooking or not.
Oh, I was like, it's finna make me mad. Alright, it's full.
He did give us $12 more. So how much were these things again?
What?
The sodas.
Like $6 each.
Okay, we could
It'll
grab
take
2 more
something
packs.
each, so you'll need 13.
Or okay, let me see. What else to do about that? We can sell these and then okay. Every bag is not gonna be able to have soda. How about that? Until for now.
Until for now.
Yeah.
That make no sense for that.
So I think we might just have to pick these up since we only got 3, and this is definitely way more than $3 worth of stuff. But then shouldn't the $7 bags have a soda? Well, let me see. Make it noodles. We can take the soda out of these and add crackers. Do that make sense though? Cause it's $5 and these already run for $2.50. And
Like 2 crackers?
yeah. Okay, yeah, you fix that. I'm gonna start making the $7 bags. Popcorn, noodle, chips, soda.
I'm giving them one of each cracker. Even though they're the same thing, but one thing like. Now, so you know that boy Isaiah from the other
You
day?
just name drop. You name drop.
They don't know who I'm talking about. Well, what did they do? I'll tell you later.
Okay.
And you know how many Isaiahs we know?
I know, but I'll be trying not to like say people's names
He ain't gonna know.
because you never know who's watching.
True that. He ain't gonna know.
I'm trying to make them look somewhat good. Do the $5 bags even look good still? Do they still look like they worth $5?
Yes.
Okay.
They getting crackers, chips, and sweet candy. Sweet candy.
I don't know what kind of
I mean, there is sour candy, so.
How would you not say nothing? But we're not even gonna be able to do all of these because we don't even got enough Ziploc bags. Yeah, we definitely gonna have to just hurry up on some stuff because he gave us too many snacks.
Actually, there's no such thing as candy. Well, it is, but
If you eating too many snacks, it is. Yeah, if you selling them, no. The bags they got these in it, you can just pick one because they got a gummy already. But some of the bags didn't have gummies, but they had extra candy. Oh, never mind, same thing.
Here.
Um,
Okay. Right here.
It's like, wait, I don't even make it.
But I'm putting these faster than you can get all that stuff because all I'm doing is taking something out and getting things up.
I know, and I gotta like go.
You gotta go all over the place.
Yeah.
Ignore the stuttering.
I'm almost out of I'm out of bags. So should we make another group of bags too? Take out some of our $5 stuff
No.
and make. You can let me finish. Mix some of our $5 stuff and our $7 stuff and make them $8 thing.
I already knew what you was gonna say. I don't think we should do that.
Why? That's more money.
Yeah, but I still feel like we shouldn't because then we're gonna have to keep doing the most. Just doing switching out this, switching out that. Or we can really save it for the next time. Or
Yeah.
just buy some more bags.
But we only got $4 of the $7 bag.
Yeah.
That's
But
what.
while we're gone, we can always just get some more bags.
Pass me the bag so I can count. I'm trying to make it make sense.
Or we can
And you
just
got all
leave.
these
We can
errands
just
back.
leave some of these. I literally pushed out there. Or we can just leave some of these bags with soda in it.
5, 6, 7, 8. That's what I'm saying. Leave some, but they instead of being $5, we'll just add a noodle of popcorn and a cracker and a soda, and it'll still be $8. Cause it wouldn't be fair to have some $5 bags with soda and some $5 without soda.
No, Zay, I'm saying instead, take out the candy from these, right?
Right.
And then add the noodle and the popcorn.
That's what I'm saying.
Zay, I'm saying the rest of these. The rest of these, we can leave the soda in there, but take out the candy and add the noodles and popcorn, and it'll still be $7.
Yeah, but then we still gonna have a lot of candies. Everything's still not gonna run up.
Yeah, but the candies is what costs the most, so we can always put the candies in new bags.
That's what I'm. Okay,
Like when we get
This
more
bag-
bags and stuff to
this
make.
bag is already ready, right? Add a soda, grab a noodle, and grab the popcorn and add it to the bag. Why you want to take the candy out, then add those, but that's just gonna make a $7 bag. If we leave that stuff in, add those 3, then we can make more money off of it.
Yeah, but then that's also using more products faster.
It's really not.
It
'Cause-
is though.
But we getting all of this stuff for free. So yeah, but we making a lot more money. We literally only spend $38 and can make way more than $38. And we got people that want us to come set up at their venues and stuff. You have to have a lot of product in order to even do that. Well, what we got, we gonna sell out way too fast.
That's what I'm saying. See? If we look, so if we do it,
Not a fact. Well, we can't even use this bag because it's real. So I don't know how to put the bag.
why are you taking the chips out of it?
Because I got these chips on here. The $7 bags don't even got crackers, so you also gotta take out crackers. That's how we will have to make that bag. It's a lot faster and we're making more money. Instead of pull this out, now put this in, now put this in, now. And this is just grab, boom, making more money. This, pull, then it's just like, okay. But now we have all of this extra candy right here. What you wanna do? What you wanna do? What you wanna do?
We can do what you want. My stomach hurt.
Now I gotta recount all these candy. Okay.
You don't though. Just put it back in this bag.
Yeah, but it was 2 bags because 1 bag was ripped, and I had to do another one. Cause I ordered it that, but I know because we have another gummy out here. They're supposed to get 7 candy, so as long as it's 7 candies, it don't matter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count those candies.
This is 9. They supposed to get 8 candies.
Well, then that means this. I did some counting wrong. Because the ones with gummies were supposed to get 7, and then the ones without gummies were supposed to get 10. But it's okay. This video is getting way longer than I wanted it to, so I'm gonna just see y'all after the fact we get these bags ready. Alright, peace.